Hello, welcome to Twist Fashion DIY. So today I'm going to be making some marble earrings. So you'll need some polymer clay. I'm going to use white. You need a bit more white than black. You don't want it to be overpowering. Or you can use different colours, of course. So I'm just going to roll that into a long piece. There we go. Same with this one. And then you're going to wrap that around. You're going to fold it in half and roll it. You don't want it to completely mix, of course, otherwise you end up with grey. Just going to do it one more time. When you're happy with the desired look, you can start rolling it out. Yeah, I think I'm going to roll it out now. Don't want it too thin, of course. I'm not sure about that. I'm just going to do one more. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So depending on what shape you're making, I think today we're going to make a square. Do I have a square? 2 little squares. Yeah, quite happy with those. Going to make the hole for the earring hook and then bake them at 150 degree, no less, I think 130 degrees for half an hour. I need to check that though. So here's the finished product. I baked them at 100 degrees for 30 minutes. Then I put in the rings and earring hooks. So hope you like them. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.